guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is 828 Find Adventure, and I've got a new little mod to cover up some ugly bolts inside the Tundra, so let's go check it out. So let's do a little unboxing here. These are little covers that cover the bolts that bolt your seat down in the car. I'll try to do this with one hand. But check these out. These right here cover the bolt on the front of your seat and the passenger seat that hold your seat down. Now those bolts can get, scratched up if you have muddy feet or whatnot, and then rust. And I don't know, maybe this is just a kind of a neat, simple mod to do to cover those ugly bolts. But I'm going to show you how to put these on and show you what they look like afterwards. So let's do it. Okay, a couple of things you'll need. You'll need the bolt covers, which is the new mod. You'll need a microfiber cloth, a little X-Acto knife, and some rubbing alcohol. And that should be all you need to install these. There they are right there, and that's what we're going to cover up. These kind of crazy looking big bolts that just kind of stick out. If you're really into the interior mods and want to just cover them up so it looks nicer, especially if you have some nice new leather seat covers, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first things I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this right here with the microfiber cloth. I put some rubbing alcohol on there. I use either 70% or 90% rubbing alcohol. The 3M tape that is on the back of these covers works a lot better. The more pure your alcohol is, the better. There you go. I'm just going to clean those up so the tape adheres good. Then I'm going to let them dry. Let them just dry off here. I mean, these bolts don't look so bad right now, but with people getting in my car with muddy feet, it'd scratch them up, scratch that paint and everything. So these just kind of protect it. All right, I'm going to get out a couple of these. One. Excuse the wind if it gets a little windy. All right, so we've got two of these. Let's just see what we got here. You can see here they both have the 3M style tape on the back. I've got to peel off all that little red stuff. That's what the X-Acto blade is for. It's to help me do that. So there's a test fit. We're going to make sure that that goes down a little better there. A little test fit here fits really good. So let's start to peel this tape off. I'm just going to use this X-Acto blade. I don't know if you can see this. Just peel up these edges. Okay. And I'm just going to peel all this off. And I'm just going to place it down over that. Press it down. And then we can get a good look at that. What do you think? Does a pretty good job. Covers it. It is on there. It's not coming off. And they give you, at least with mine, I got some extra tape thrown in. So anyways, let's do the next one. First we're gonna pull off all this tape. We do that real quick. You can just start peeling that. Here we go. So here we go. We've got this nice piece here. It goes up in there. Put it down. Press it really good, really hard. Press it where that tape is under there. There we go. Look at that. Those look good. They'll keep your muddy feet off those bolts. That's pretty cool. I like that mod. Let's do the driver's side. Okay, I'm gonna have to move the seat back for this one. Okay, now let's see. I think I can get in there without removing the mats. Boy, I need to do a little vacuuming in here. All right, so let's, I'm doing this one-handed. Let's see here, I'm gonna put a little alcohol on this. Mine, on my driver's side, already got pretty dirty from my feet. But, let's see here. These got to be really clean for that tape to stick. I need to do some vacuuming back in there. I missed some of that dirt the last time I vacuumed the car. Whew, that's embarrassing. Peel all that red stuff off there. Let's see here. Put that up under there. Wow. That looks great. There we go. I blocked it with my big head. That looks pretty good. And they're stuck on tight. Let's do the other one. We got to remove that tape again. Remove that the red back. Okay, let's peel all that off. Well, there it goes, rolling down the hill. Rolled right out of the truck and down the hill. Well, good thing I'm done using it. Okay, here we go. All the red is off the tape. So we can go ahead and put it down. And this is all clean now. That is on solid. Perfect. Turned out pretty good. And they are on there, really, they're not going anywhere. And those will protect the bolts. Now, if you ever do need to remove them, you could just, you could use like a blow dryer or a heat gun from a good safe distance away from your upholstery, and you could warm them up, and you could probably get them off, or probably in the hottest days of the summer, if your car's been closed up, might be another good time. They're still going to be on tight, but what I've seen with that tape, it's easier to remove if the surface is really hot and has been for a while. So the summer would be the best time if you ever think about removing them. But anyways, they look really good and they're going to do their job. Fantastic. Now let's find that X-Acto blade. Where did it go to? There you have it, the little bolt cover mod for the interior of your Tundra. I don't know if they make these for other vehicles, but these work great on here, and they actually look like they should have come with the vehicle, Like they should have been included with this. You can see them there. Pass it over here. See it right there. If my heels come back, step on it, you know, it'll be just fine. And they look really good. So, there you have it. That's awesome. That's a quick, easy mod, and it dresses up your interior. And, you know, tell me what you think in the comments. I'd really appreciate that. Well, I hope you liked that video on the little bolt covers that go on the passenger and driver seat of the car. And they protect them, you know, from grit and stuff that's on the heel of your shoe. That, you know, when you're just cruising down the road and you have your heel kicked back while you're driving, you know, you could have mud all over the bottom of your shoe and it would scratch up that paint and where that bolt is. And this is the bolt that your actual seat bolts to the floor of the car with. So it protects those. And, you know, it kind of looks good. I don't know why the truck didn't come with them. At the price we pay for these trucks, they should have these little, I don't know, these little nice things like that, or protective things. One of my next videos is going to be on storage. You know, why didn't the Tundra come with very much interior storage? It has a big glove box and it has lots of pockets in the doors, but I don't understand why it didn't come with storage under the seat, under the rear seat. You know, you can do a mod for that, and I'm going to be doing one soon. But anyways, I hope you like this little mod. I just, you know, it's real easy to do, and it'll make the interior look that much better. You know, if you would, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Hit the thumbs up button. I love to see that. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below the video in the comment section, and I will get back to them as soon as I can. So I will see you next time. See ya.